In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to check if a laptop camera is missing and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So if you want to check whether the laptop camera is going through any kind of an issue when you try to open if it's not working, there are minor reasons why this is happening. So the first one is all about what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search and we need to type here for settings and you have to click on the settings here. Once you get into the settings, what you need to do is on the left side, you have to click on the privacy and security. And from here, you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the camera here. And over here, make sure that we have to give few access here first. First one, make sure the camera access being turned on. And also make sure let app access your camera should also be turned on. And the very important thing, the camera should be given access here. For some reasons, for some laptop users, it might be disabled. So that is a reason that you're having trouble with. So make sure the camera is being turned on. And also if you scroll it down, you can see there is an option called let desktop access your camera. Make sure this is also be turned on. These things are very important while turning it on. And once you turn it on, you just need to go back and try opening a camera and the issue will be completely fixed. For some users, for some laptops, they might be having a shutter kind of a thing. So what you need to do is when you open the camera, if it says it's completely blocked due to the shutter, it will be written over there. If that is the case, just remove the shutter. So what happens is, you can use it further. Alright, so these are the things and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.